Hello everyone. Welcome to Speak English Daily Series. Practice speaking simple sentences in English to talk about yourself. These lessons are specially designed for beginners spoken English practice. Just repeat after. Improve your spoken English from day 1. Follow these steps. First listen. Repeat slowly. Repeat confidently. Don't be shy. Don't worry about mistakes. Speak loudly and clearly. Let's begin. Level 1. I'm trying my best. Repeat slowly. Repeat confidently. I feel a little nervous. Repeat slowly. Repeat confidently. I need more practice. Repeat slowly. Repeat confidently. I make mistakes. Repeat slowly. Repeat confidently. I will not give up. Repeat slowly. Repeat confidently. Now try level 2. I'm trying my best to improve my English. Repeat slowly. Repeat confidently. I feel a little nervous, but I stay confident. Repeat slowly. Repeat confidently. I need more practice to speak English fluently. Repeat slowly. Repeat confidently. I make mistakes and learn from them. Repeat slowly. Repeat confidently. I'll not give up, no matter what. Repeat slowly. Repeat confidently. Repeat it with me? Great. Remember, every sentence you speak makes you more confident. Now save this video and practice speaking again and again. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Type in the comments box. I'll not give up. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Bye-bye.